Good job, Bubby.
Right there, going. That's a good one.
Reel it in, Bubby.
Torch.
Is it pulling hard? There you go.
A torch.
Good. Really? That's a fat little fella, right? Good job.
Caught him.
Look at that. Hold him up.
Yeah.
Take a picture.
Look at that.
I want to put it back in.
Well,
Hey, come out.
he said I'm going to put it back in. I guess he did.
That's
3
all
of
right.
them.
Look there. That's a good one.
Reel it, Bubby. Reel it. Reel it.
That's a good one. It's pulling hard, ain't it?
Get it, Bubby. Get it.
Caught you.
Reel it up. Pick him up out of the water, Bubby.
It's not big enough.
Oh, gosh, Bubby. No, don't do that. Look out there, Bubby. Look out there.
Hold him.
Watch out, it's got hooks in it, Bub. Oh.
Oh, I'm so. That's how I made it.
Look, Bub.
I'm okay. Let me hold him.
You're doing a real good job, Bubby. Here, you hold this one like this. You hold it just like that. And reel it with your other hand. You put this hand on this side. Here, put this hand on this side and put your finger right here like this. And then use this other hand to reel with.
Lose it. You don't get it. There you go. Look here. Watch you get it.
I did it. I see.
You sure are. You doing good. He's a getting in him.
You're getting in him.
Look here. Pulling it in. I see it out there. See it?
You're doing good, Bubby.
Is it pulling?
Yeah, it is. the more the more harder it is, the more he's pulling.
Yeah, the closer you get, the harder they pull. Ain't. Look. Look at that. That's pretty. That is pretty. Hey, come out of the water.
What's that?
I didn't.
Here, you can just reel, Bubby. You don't have to walk.
That's a good one. Good job, Ray.
I didn't.
Reel it up. There you go. Good job.
Look what I caught. He's a small
That
one.
was a good fish right there now. I must have put him in there.
Yeah.
Put him up there, Brady.
Here.
You go get
No,
it
watch out,
in your
watch out.
hand.
I'll hold this thing here.
Let's give him some water.
He's all right now.
Here, watch out. Let me get the rod, Bubby. I'll get him off here.
Can I hold him?
Yeah.
Tim, hold him.
New hooks right there. Hooks them good, don't they?
Yes, they're sharp.
Tim,
Yeah.
hold him. Tim, hold him.
Okay. Here you go. Use your finger, just like this.
Yeah, now hold tight.
He's biting me.
He ain't got no teeth, Bubby.
He don't have teeth.
He ain't got no teeth. Put your thumb in there.
He's
Look.
biting me.
He's not. I promise he's not. Look.
See, he don't bite us.
See, look. Blah, 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 blah. See, he ain't biting me. Okay, here you go. Now put your finger right there. Thumb right there. And then your other finger underneath, just like that. Like this. He's okay. You're okay. Most people are too scared to hold him this way.
I want to hold him this way.
Okay.
Yeah, good job. That's a good one.
Yeah.
Pretty.
My hand's up here. Okay, Bubby.
To dip this off.
Okay, Bubby. Let's take a picture of you holding it. Want to?
It's pulling hard. We caught it.
Good job, Bubby. You're doing good.
Doing good, bud. Look, that's a good one. That's a trout. That is a trout. You can take that home, need it. That's a trout. Do we ever caught trout?
I don't know. I don't know the rules on that. I don't. Let's see, Bubby.
I'm pulling
That's
him.
a pretty
I'm
big.
pulling
Well.
him.
That's a nice
I
one.
pulled him
Yeah.
over there.
Here, Bubby, get the rod, okay?
I must have to pull him a little farther.
That is
That's a trout, Bubby. That's something not everybody can say they've caught, Bubby.
Whoa. Let's try to catch it. I caught it. I caught
You
it.
did catch it. Get a picture of it.
Yeah.
Me, that's pretty. Ain't many people hold fish like that, is it?
Here, wash it off or something. Just wash it off for a second. Okay, now pick it up. Don't let go. Yep. There it went.
I don't think we got trout stumps for them anyway. Used to you
Yeah.
had trout stumps.
Yeah, I think you do.
What do you think? It's Tom. I see him.
Looky there. He's having some fun. I think that's the most fun. Good job.
Caught him.
Yeah, you got him.
Did, didn't you?
Here, let me get him here.
They're not stepping
That's
on your rod.
that is a
Don't step on that rod, Bubby.
Yeah.
Watch out now.
That's a small one.
Got to keep line in your feet. You better not move. You'll pull that hook in Daddy's hand.
That's where it's hooked in. I think you hooked in that nose.
Yeah.
You want to try to hold that one? See if you can hold it by the mouth?
I want to see if I can hold it here.
They'll fin you there. They
Yeah,
got
but
spine
hold it right there. It's the safest place.
That's
Put
the
your thumb.
safest place for the bass.
Thumb.
That trout didn't have no. They didn't got no fins like that. That's the reason we did.
I'm gonna.
Here, hold your thumb right here, Bubby. Thumb. It's looking spots in his mouth. Reckon he's got cavities.
At least he gonna smell like that.
Here, Bub. Throw by your fish.
I'm taught him.
You want to throw him back?
No.
If you got to put him back, he'll die. If you throw him back, then we can come back another day and catch him. Well, catch him again.
Bye bye.
Good job, Bubby. Or get your hat. Your hat's going to get dirty.
Look behind.
Behind you.
Oh, there you go. Mom, my fish is good. I'm putting my hat.
Yeah. Somebody have better luck doing that than you do anything, really. Bert, come get your fishing reel, Bubby. It's just laying on the ground.
Well, a fish will take it.
It'd be bad if a fish come and got your reel, wouldn't it? It's I ain't gonna let that boy catch no more of me. I'm gonna take his reel.
But if he, the only way he's going to catch it is if he bites it. So as soon as he bites it, I will catch him again.
Watch out. Here. Yeah, as soon as he bites it.
As soon as he bites it, I will catch it.
Heck, still on. Yeah, it's a little one. A red eye. Read in. It don't know it's caught, does it? Read on in, Tim. You gonna get in the bushes on you? That's a little red eye.
Oh, can we put him back in after we catch him?
You may catch another one. Look, he's pretty, ain't he? We'll let him grow up and make a big red eye.
They'll let be. Let's see what the rest of him looks like. Whoa!
Pretty, ain't he?
Bubby, don't. It's a rough
We'll
whip.
kill him.
How do you let a red eye go?
He go like this. Look how black he is.
Can
will-
pet him?
Take a. I'm afraid you'll get a hook in you.
Aw.
Look how pretty he is.
Can you bust take the hook off of him?
Yeah, I'll
And
get
wait.
the hook off. You want to put him in your hand?
Yeah.
Okay. Got a hook in your finger.
Turn the camera on.
He won't gonna come.
It's on, Bubby.
Okay.
He was not gonna come loose that red eye one. He could put your finger. No, he'll stick you. Stick your finger like Paul's got it. He'll stick you. I'm telling you now. You're gonna learn a lesson. He'll flop and he'll stick him. He'll put them fins in you. Them some sharp hooks. They're not going further. Good job.
Bye bye. I'm putting him back.
Some of you are a dog. We died at one hit there in the lizard. And died.
You know what?
Dog, was that or what now?
Either a deer and he got in the river and stood there and couldn't get away from it.
It fits like that.
It went too far.
My dog's not fit that little red eye anymore.
We might get a see some fish up there. Little bass, I guess what they are. That's a little bass. I sit and watch it. The little red eye didn't know what's going on. He didn't see it.
Well, we shouldn't have gone that way.
Uh-huh.
A little red eye should be blown up before you eat it.
Right. When it gets bigger, we're eating it. We got some at the house. We got to put in a stick and fry it. And maybe bring them to the river and do that. We already have stuff like that.
You want to fall.
Look at that goat up there, Bubby.